The Narcotics Bureau's probe into the Bollywood drug link is intensifying. India Today has learnt that the agency seized the cell phones of actors Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Rakulpreet Singh. According to sources, Sara Ali Khan has submitted only the phone which she was using in 2019. The Kedarnath star told the NCB that she is not in possession of her phones which she used in 2017 and in 2018. Sara also apparently informed that she is not even aware of where her previous phones are. Other than these three actors, the Narco Bureau has also confiscated the phones of Deepika's manager, Karishma Prakash, Sushant's talent manager, Jaya Saha, and designer Simone Khambata. NCB will now send their confiscated phones for forensic examination. This as no fresh summons have been issued by the agency to any of the actors who were questioned yesterday. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live from outside the NCB office in Mumbai. Pankaj, good morning. We saw all the three Bollywood stars appearing before the NCB yesterday. What is the outcome of the interrogation and how does the Narcotics Control Bureau plan on taking their probe forward now?
Good morning, Akshata. So while all the three Bollywood actresses were questioned yesterday, their statements have been taken. The Narcotics Control Bureau says, one, all three of them sounded very evasive and perfectly tutored by their legal aids as well. But even though Deepika, Sara and Shraddha Kapoor have not been summoned again, the NCB clarifies that neither is the investigation over nor have they given a clean chit to all these actresses. What this means is that the Narcotics Control Bureau is going to intensify its investigation in the days to come. It is going to question the drug peddlers who are already in their custody. Their phones have already been seized, which the Narcotics Control Bureau now feels will reveal more information in the days to come. And perhaps once it is armed with more information and evidence, then new summons are very much likely to the three actresses as well. Yesterday, after 5 hours of intense interrogation of all the three actresses, they were grilled separately for 5 hours. And after that, as far as Deepika is concerned, while on one hand she did accept her October 2017 WhatsApp chat conversation and also accepted over the formation of the WhatsApp group in which many Kwan executives were also there. She said that she herself did not consume drugs. Now, why that becomes very, very critical here is because the person in question has completely denied the consumption. There has been no procurement of drugs in person as well. So the experts say that NCB will now have to discover more. They'll have to draw the chain of that drugs have been sold, they have been procured, they have been transported. If at all, they want to make a very strong case at the trial court.
So we'll have to see how they take this forward. Pankaj, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.